What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can contact suppliers if you are a dropshipper. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys how this whole thing works. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for the product that you want to dropship. Let's say that you want to dropship that product on Shopify or any other e-commerce websites. Now you want to search for that product. For example, I would like to dropship iPhone cases, so I'm just going to search for iPhone cases right now. And after you search for that on AliExpress, you want to just click on orders, like, so that AliExpress will show you products with like high volume, like high, or like a lot of people purchase that specific item. That will explain, like, that will show you that people are actually interested in that item. Now after you find, guys, the product, for example, this one has like 200 like orders, like 200 people purchase this item. What you need to do, guys, you want to click on the product and you want to scroll down a little bit and click on where it says here contact. As you can see, you will see here the name of the store, and you want to click on contact. After, guys, you click on contact, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to contact the supplier here, and you have to tell him like what is the return policy, like how long you are going to take for shipping. You can ask him any questions and you will be able to answer, because they are happy that you are going to dropship their product. Now you want to search, for example, hi, I'm going to give an example. Hi, what is the return policy for this product? Also, what is the shipping time? And also you have to tell them that you are dropshipping this product, for example, to United States. You are going to send this product to United States people that live in America. Now I just want to explain that my target audience is USA. Okay, and then you want to click enter, and then you want to wait 24 hours and you will be able, guys, to reply to you with a message, and then you can just keep contacting them as you want. So if this video helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure you click the video in the screen right now so that you can learn more about how you can dropship on. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Good day.